So, for those of you that are tuned in watching the video version of this podcast, this radio show, I have to apologize. I am a poster child for wearing safety glasses. If you don't, you can get a black eye like this. And so I took it in the eye with a spring loaded pair of clamps. Anyway, it just kind of got me and bit me. So the black eye, no, it was not a wife beating. It was it's not her fault. It's me, all me. I should have had my safety glasses on, but I was just gluing a piece of wood together. I mean, who would guess it would jump out and try to bite me? But there we go. It doesn't hurt. Just looks terrible. So as you see me throughout the nursery, if you see me kind of walking around, notice a black eye and comment, Ken, you really should wear some safety glasses. And how about some hearing aids when you're running that saw? So just kind of, yes, I know what to do. It's that I just don't do it. So anyway, oh my gosh, it's kind of exciting. We picked a song. So Carrie Hughes is my choreographer, dance instructor. We're starting to take classes. So she's teaching me how to dance. No, I don't know how. And she says, yes, I do need more lessons. Oh, but we got our song picked out. That's good. So it's starting. So we took some great photos here at the Garden Center, just promotional stuff. Take a look at those. And if you would, just like, comment, share through our Facebook and Instagram posts so that we're trying to get the word out. She's cute as could be, high energy fireball. She's a rancher out in Dewey, great family, love her kids. So just kind of fun dancer. So it should be good, but take a look at those. And if you would, don't just pass going, there we are again. I'm dancing for the stars for the Boys and Girls Club. So I'm helping the Boys and Girls Club raise money for Dancing for the Stars. I would like to thank Finley Toyota. They just stepped up and said, I'll sponsor that. So that's my newest sponsor. So appreciate that. And we've got plenty more I'll mention later. So it's just fun. Another exciting thing that's happening, the classes are starting. And so in the month of May, we take a bit of a break. And so the facility, literally, I don't have enough parking spaces here at the Garden Center to host all the gardeners and students at a garden class. So we take a little break. Well, they're starting back. The entire summer series is starting June 10th. That's next Saturday. So we'll host them through the fall, Saturdays at 9:30 here at the Garden Center. They are free. So we just want you to have more success, to find the delight, to be giddy about gardening, to lose track of time, to have therapy sessions, not with your therapist, but with your gardens, with butterflies, with plants, with just sunsets and fresh air. And there's something to that. And so the very first class is planting better berries and grapes. This edible thing is off the charts. Families, the millennials are going to change. There's this renaissance of gardening with having a sustainable, edible landscape. So we start with that one. So it's June 10th. 17th, perennials that thrive in the heat. So we're in the summer, and this is when perennials should be put in the ground. We'll show you which ones are the best. And then better mountain fruit trees and how to plant them and get a harvest. So fruit trees are still big. It's time to put fruit trees in the ground. We thought we'd go over that June 24th. And a big one, we take a little break over 4th of July. It's a holiday. Everyone's traveling. No one's going to come to a garden class. Take a break. But July 8th, gardening for newcomers. This is a biggie. So if you're new to the area or you just want to up your game, you want to learn a few tidbits, hang out with some really cool people that love funky hats and break gloves. They're called gardeners. Come join us. That's gardening for newcomers. And the whole list keeps going on. Take a look at watersgardencenter.com. There's a big button on the front that says classes. Take a look. Ken and Lisa Lane, the Mountain Gardeners, were here throughout the week. We'd love talking to fans of the show.